Hello, this is the National Weather Service Jackson weekly weather briefing recorded on August 14th, 2023. Extreme heat stress will continue into today, Monday, with high temperatures once again getting up into the upper 90s to lower 100s, with heat index values getting into the 110 to 120 degree range in the middle of the day. This will continue to lead to potential for heat illness, so use extra caution if you're going to be outdoors for extended periods of time today. The good news is there is some relief on the way in the form of a cold front that's going to push across our region on Tuesday. Unfortunately, the front will not get far enough south to spare South Mississippi from some continuing heat stress conditions tomorrow. So down in the Hattiesburg and Laurel areas and closer to the coast, we will still see some rather high temperatures with heat index readings once again pushing up to around 110. For the remainder of the area, though, we will have some relatively cooler and drier air moving into the area. Looking at our weekly outlook, you can see temperatures not getting up into the triple digits again throughout the remainder of the work week, with highs only getting up into the 80s in most areas on Wednesday and some low temperatures in the 60s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday mornings across the area. We will begin to heat back up as we head into this weekend. This front will stay mostly dry. There will be some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms ahead of it, but for most of our area, little to no rain accumulation is expected over the upcoming week. And this stacks on top of the past month being rather dry, especially across central and south Mississippi and north Louisiana, where most locations have received less than 50% of normal rainfall during that time frame. Some areas seeing less than 25% of normal rainfall over the past month. So as a result of that, there is some concern for wildfires across the area today, and this concern may continue throughout this week due to the very dry conditions that are ongoing. We've already had some reports of some grass fires over the past week, and that type of activity may continue. Be sure to heed local burn bans and use extra caution with any open burning outside. And finally, taking a quick look at the tropics, there are a couple of tropical waves over the open Atlantic that the National Hurricane Center is monitoring for a low chance of development. And those systems are still several days away from the mainland, and we'll continue to monitor those. So in summary, dangerous heat will continue for today, but then we will get some relief as a cold front moves through the region on Tuesday with more pleasant conditions for much of the work week. And potential for grass fires will continue due to the hot and dry conditions across the region. Thanks for viewing our briefing. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.